All right. So since last time I was on, I added this static assert, which makes sure that if the version number of the header exceeds the version of this generated file, then it says, hey, this converter is probably missing stuff, and this check can be disabled so it doesn't compile, throw a compiler error. So that's what's next. Probably want to look at something along the lines of this, perhaps. Hmm. Hmm. I'm not really sure what else there needs to be done except for adding some tests. Of course, we need to add some tests. And oh well, I do need to add the ability to customize words with the file. Hmm. So right now I only have F for the input file. Now I want to do output file -O. There should be that output file. Equals VK. But by default, it just equals that. So otherwise, you can replace it. Just replace all these. I don't really need this anymore, do I? Nope. But we do put it down here. Mm-hmm. Oh, yep, okay. Mm-hmm. New folder, test. Yeah, okay, I'm not exactly sure how to do the tests. Screw that. I know it works because I made it. Don't nobody needs no dang tests. So we can add a couple more. Build clang d VS Code. One of those other guys. External clang from Mac. Apologies. Test.hpp do not require. Goodbye. We got what, the Apache license? Yes, we do. C++ 20. That's great. Probably want to add like .gitlab. VI.yaml. That'll be great. But I don't actually have anything to put in it yet. So no. Pre-generated. We'll pre-generate a 132 at least. A few versions, I suppose. I want to re-download this VKXML for version 132 for sure. And then, okay. So no, what? Yeah, I do want to test. I want to test application at least. Test. Read test read. That, I guess. Whoop. Go up to there. Do this. Pretty it up a little bit. Add this. Then we want to. We'll get it from pre-generated. Include. Like that, and then we'll have a pre-generated one. So build make do that. Oh man, I need to. I wonder if I actually have downloads. I do not have a raw XML. Okay. We grab that real quick from the internet. Alright, so I've got that now. Yep. So we should have an updated version of this now. So it's a bit larger, which means if I rerun it right now, rerun it, please. I should generate one. Okay, converter, version 132. And I'm just going to hope to God it actually has what I don't have in here. Add the pre-generated, and it'll be underscore v132 132. Okay, so test converts from string, which means we just need to do a couple of little things like include. Okay, I need to add my stuff for that, including catch. You guys. Just paste that in there. It'll work. It's pretty old now. 2 years old? Anyways. the values from the actual header. Something like that. So, you are like this. I need to include a CMake. Off by default. Subdirectory test. In subdirectory test, we'll now have something along the lines of, I need to reopen that again. So I can actually grab like a test example. I don't even have tests in that one. I have tests here. Bam. So enable testing, prepare catch. And then add test. Sure. Which includes from target include directories, includes catch, CMake build. Tests unknown command. You just put it in here. Include. Precompiled catch. And then we need to add the other directory of back1 and pre-generated. Like this. Now this is an interesting one. Oh no, that's why you. It's a linked library. Right. There we go. Okay. Make test. There's nothing to actually test. Require true. Make test. And it'll maybe work. Maybe not. It's actually not quite working. Why? I don't know. It's because testing has to be enabled outside. It just have to be down here. Okay, I guess it does. Okay, so great. Okay, VK image format. No, okay. Do I even need this? I don't think I do. Yes, I do for that though. I can scrap that. So we don't actually need Vulkan. That would make a bit more sense. So scrapping that. Oh well. Don't need CSRT either. Don't even need array either. I don't think I need array either. Or do I? What's down here? Ooh, interesting. Whoops, I forgot about this. Parse bit set. Something like this. I want the debug to no, just like that. And I don't really know if I want the heater on. Yeah, I probably do. I'm not really. We'll just take a case. We'll just take a case. God damn it! Let's just take a case. For the from string test, we will take from version 132. I can't test if I can. Okay. No, I can't. Parse. Bits of enum, something like that. For which layout? You can check lowercase pre. Original case. With original shortened strings, it's great. Something like that. Really, you just can't find them, eh? Cat compile commands. They're both there. They're all there. I'm not exactly sure why you're going on about it. We'll try require. Do that. Enums, okay. Then we'll try check bit sets separately. Segfault image typesets. Okay, first of all, it should not segfault. So I'm interested in why it's segfaulted. Blah blah blah. 2D. Let's have a look. You want to just went right past me. Why? It's debug, right? Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, so what is going on? Okay. Oh, okay. Don't give it these things. You know what? Okay. These things are screwing it up. Okay, let's go with the tests. Go, go, go. There we go. Okay, now let's have a look. Prefix comes up with that. That's pretty good. Value equals format string. So value is 2D. And then we go inside. Find value. Prefix value. Okay. So there shouldn't be too many. So presumably by the time we get to here, ooh, it actually sig faults right here. Why? 166. Okay. Why are there two missing? Very interesting. How the hell am I supposed to figure out which ones I'm missing? I don't know. Okay, we got this up to here, which is, it doesn't even tell you how many lines. Okay. What was it? 197 minus 32. 5. $165. $165, $164, something like that. Yeah, 165. That makes sense. So we are missing 2, but it counted an extra 2. Why? Why? Why did it do that? During the conversion sequence, I don't know which one I'm missing. 2. I'm missing 2, which is problematic. Load up. Okay, oh my god. I don't know. Driver ID? No. Vendor ID? Like, they're all here. So where on earth did it get an extra 2? Or 3? Is it because I'm here? I don't... Maybe there's like a node in the middle that I'm missing. I'm in the wrong one. That's great. Good. You still fail. Precisely what I don't want but expect. $168. There are 2 enums or something somewhere that I don't get for whatever reason. Okay, enums. There's 169 minus the API constants one. Okay, that's one of them right there. I'm missing the very latest of this guy. Okay, well, I know I'm missing this guy. No, I don't, actually. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. It's true until they equal the same. So this was pointless. Okay, do that. All the way back up here, and now we're at 168. which is the exact same. No, 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 no. I'm not even reading the thing right, am I? I'm just wrong file. 172 now. That's even higher. Are you kidding me? Where the hell are you getting? I'm sorry. Where are you getting these other guys from? Tool purpose flag bits. Flag bits AMD. Flag bits. Small mode AXT. Format. Independence. Intel. Intel. I just don't. Unit Chronos. Scope Chronos EXT. Like, where did they get these other guys from? There's only 169 of these guys. Okay, one thing is for sure. I don't want to do that one. So that takes us down by one. Actually, maybe more than one. 167. Ooh. Well, there's 169. Now I'm missing one. Oh my god. Because it's 168. I need 168 of these damn things. Oh my god, now I'm missing one. Damn it. I just cannot believe this. Who am I missing, man? Do I really care? I can probably not until I actually run into it. Then I'll know. Until then, good enough, I guess. We'll just copy all this and put it into that file up here. Okay. We want the start. We want the first one. And then go way down. These are flag bits. Okay. Bit mask. Should be bit mask, not that. Should it not? Yes. Done, done, done. Parse bit mask of this. Modifying features. And then let's slap two of these guys together. Additional features. Or that. Equals this or that. Make test. Oh boy, that would not work. That's unfortunate. Which one failed? Test vk blah 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 tests, and it's this validation bit ext. Maybe. Oh, but position is 1. And it looks like there's a bug that the tests have uncovered. No, this is a very, very real thing. Okay. Validation bit ext. Interesting, interesting. It should have been a 1. Why is not a 1? Let's find out. Let's go until we find value, please. Thank you. So the token we're doing is validation bit. Perfect. Yeah, well, we will find the value set, correct? Okay, tool purpose valid. Ooh. VK tool purpose flag bits XT. Oh yeah, yeah, it's the first one, right? Value of 1. This should be it. But it wasn't. Why? Enum validation bit ext. Purpose. Hello. It's not converted correctly. Interesting. Okay, I thought. Hold on. There's actually a number back here that don't act that or still have the front end still attached. The question I have is why? Well, okay, hold on. Where was I? Par spit mask here. VK. Ooh, ext is in here. Flag bits ext. Interesting. Why is the extension types? No, because some of them NV has it too. All of the extension types actually seem to be stuck with their little things. Interesting. I'm missing something. I'm missing the part the processing for. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm missing the vendor checks, the vendor name checks. That is terrible. I don't. Okay. Is less than vendor tag count. If type name ends with vendor tags I, because there's always only at most one vendor tag. I think not substring 0. Minus like that. Is that enough to save me? I don't know. Nope, keep going until we hit that. Then we go back into this and add it to here. value set. VK tool purpose validation. Truly. But what's the prefix? And then I need to remove the flag bits. If the thing has flag bits, type name with flag bits. Ooh. Then we just do the same thing. Substring 0 dot size minus flag bits, like that, correct? Let's do it again. Slowly debugging issues with my own failures. Always a classic move. Enum prefix VK tool purpose is now fit for purpose. Much closer to what I wanted. I gotta figure out how to return errors as well. But for the moment, what I need to do is I need to figure out how to kind of, first of all, copy this to this so that it's actually done, and put in. Great. Now I need to actually add it to the converter function here and figure out a way for a dynamic list of vendor tags. Vendor tags. Do. Okay, then down here we're generating a list of vendor tags, correct? And down here, where we actually do this, we need to So let's see how that probably doesn't run. And then we'll figure out what to do. No, run the other one. Yeah, it's way better. Whoop. Okay, that makes sense, because that's not even named anywhere near the original. Oh, man. 2840. Stream marker value bits until this looks quite a bit better actually. Yeah, okay. That looks 1,000,000% better. I can make test. Actually, don't know yet because I have not copied it over yet. Do it. We're back on target. These guys are also correct. Attempting, I don't know. Oh, I really, trying to think of a good return thing. I can't really think of any good return cases. All right, we'll just frickin' try to return like this 2D or 3D. It just turns 0. Okay. Carbaggio. Six-dimensional images. Not exist. And give that a go. Section. Well, from string certainly caught a couple of items, which I'm pretty happy about. Now I got to figure out how to do two-string. Let's find out. Very special. looking for right here. We'll add it to toString. So we have all the enums now. Now I just need to figure out how to convert it to toString. Stringify. I don't know what it is. That's a VK image layout or image type. And it's a VK. This should present type enum value. Okay. So I imagine, much like this one, process enum prefix. No. Let string find value find. Okay, came up with a little bit of a solution for stringifying bit masks, which is this. Much like before, I got a value set. It returns pointers to the beginning and the end of each set. For enum, it just finds the first one that matches. Otherwise, it returns nothing. And otherwise, the bit mask is very similar, except the problem with is it returns, so for like back bit and front mode bit, it'll return both of those, and it'll return none. None front, back, because none is also 0. So these are all true. So if I have any enum bit masks that have 0, they're always going to include that. So what I'm thinking is I need to reverse the order. Yeah. End and start. We just need to like minus end, minus start, right? And we need to go backwards. Right. So we'll just hit front and back, find that matches the whole thing, and then end it. Almost. And value not equals 0. If it equals 0, then just leave right away. Let's try it again. And it does an exclusive OR, so it cancels out anything that has been done before. Which means it should just be front and back, and then it quits, and that's perfect. It covers the entire case that I was looking for. Perfect. Perfect. So, I'm just going all in on C++. C is dead to me. Dead to me, I tell ya. Yeah, okay. This is a little bit iffy. We'll work with it. Just need some documentation. Pretty simple enough. We'll add that to the common functions. Up here, thank you. Okay. Format string. What am I looking for? Enum prefix, find value. This is what I'm looking for here. I want to rework this. Which means find value. I can just do it in here for testing. Okay, find value. Start and end. For that. Okay, what am I missing? That's what I'm missing. That is not looking good. Probably because I have a redefinition of this. Goodbye. Almost. Okay. But what I was really wanting to test here was from string. Give that a go. And it just passes fine. Okay, good. We're looking good. Okay, let's see if I can add a bit of documentation to this guy. Enum name. Associated value. I need to come up with something better than this, but yeah. Got that. We'll just kind of slap it in here. Do. That's even a bit shorter. Very nice. Now I wonder if I can do this same thing for Stringify. Or not Stringify. The Stringify is good, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. Stringify is the one that matters for the first iterator for using larger values. Going the other way doesn't really matter whatsoever. They can OR it as much as they want. Okay. Is there anything else now? Oh yeah. I need to figure out how to build testing. Nope. Okay, I need to find out how to not those. I need tuple as well. Which is probably included already, but it's best to be explicit. Go to the declaration. Now I need to do like main. Like this is some black magic nonsense going on in here. What's going on? Single. Do I even want to do a single header? Probably. The answer is not really. I really don't know. I also probably, okay, you know what? Just rebuild the latest of that. Paste it into here. Back to testing. Testing works great. Amazing. Trying to think if I want to actually split it up to source and header rather than, yeah, I probably kind of do. I don't really know how to do single header includes with functions like that. It's super. This isn't happening. What? Yeah, that's true. There's no assertions. Just me manually making sure it didn't. Was terrible. Main single. Oh god. You know what? I don't even want to try with the parsing stuff. I am going to split it. And there ain't nothing you can do to stop me. Let's see how to do it. So basically all of this already is. I don't need this either anymore, actually. I can go away. I do need the functions declaration though. Called char header file string. Header da ba bam. Do. So it starts with this, and then we have these guys like this, and then we need to end it down here somewhere. The footer string. Footer. There you are. Get rid of this. Include string. That's great. Change it down here to include string. And get rid of the footer. We need declarations of the functions we're going to be using. Space vk enum. And we're going to have these functions inside. So it'll be process enum. Nope. Nope, nope. Yes, parse enum. Bam. Which is actually going to be all of this, actually. All together. Bam. Parse enum. Like this. And from here on in is using a namespace. Whatever. Okay, enum. Then it ends about there. What else do we need? Parse, bit mask. Whoop, 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 whoop. So like this. Bam. Need to close that up. Need to close that up. Stringify enum. Stringify bit mask. Like that. Okay, description. Header. Then we just turn it into a anonymous namespace. So everything just disappears. Just like that. Just like that. Do. Well, okay, let's see if at least this side makes sense. If the what's basically going to become the source makes sense. So first of all, it goes into a namespace. Wonderful. And then we close that up so I can actually see what I'm doing. All of this is all anonymous. That ends the namespace, and then we open a new namespace, and then we close it down here. Perfect. I'm actually surprised. Okay, Enum, perfect. Get rid of the parse bit mask bit there. I'll need some stuff for that. So I need two things. I need a directory or directory in the file name. So I need some changes. Okay. I'll put directory. Stringifier. So now we'll just add the output for the file name -o names. So on the one. So it'll be this enum converter. So then we'll do two files at one. Header file. And then we have the source file. Plus.cpp. Do the same thing up here, but for HPP instead. Move the header back up there. HPP. And then in the file, we just spit it straight out. Header file string. And then we just close it up when we're done. Something like that. I do not want to run the tests, but I do want to run that. So it should be CPP and HPP. So CPP is this. Just a bunch of extra room up there. That's terrible. And then this is the header. And I'm missing a few things. I'm missing. First of all, I need to fix this so it's actually readable. C standard int string, and that's it. Looks like. Include C standard int and include string. Ah, boy. Let's have a look. That's looking a bit nicer. How's my CPU doing right now? So it feels super hot right now. Wow, only like 6 megabytes level 3 cache. That's impressively bad. 1.5 megs each. Yeah, this is only a couple of years old too. Yeah. Wow. Intel's really falling behind. Real fast. So now, what do we do? We have toString and we have from string, and we also have from a different directory entirely. CPP. What's going to happen is we're going to do that instead. This guy is going into here instead. Bam. Very nice and cheap. And then we're going to copy this guy into here. V132. Like that. And I don't really care about it, including the header or not. Do I? I don't know. I'm missing the V. The V! Enum, like that, like that, like that. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And same thing on the from the string side. Ooh, a lot of them. We're just PK enum. We'll just make it a bit easier on ourselves here. Move out of the way. Good, good. I'm liking it. Hmm. Interesting. All right, better take a break. Okay, so now I want to build with code coverage. Let's see what coverage we got. Make CCLB show that. Nah, that's not what I want. Probably report. Or just do this one. I'll just open it up as a file. Code coverage. Da, da, da. That's blindingly white. Hate light colors. Okay, what was it? It was like 90 something percent. 97.32%. That's actually pretty good coverage already. So what exactly am I missing? Covered. Goes through a lot of this stuff a lot of times. Not very efficient. Okay, this one. Ah, yes. The full prefix names. Full strings. Bam. Do the same thing here. Image layout like this. Image layout. Okay, image type 2D. Probably the same thing down here. We'll do the exact same thing. VK tool purpose. Bam, 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 bam. Make short full strings. Or just do this where it's one's short, one's not. There we go. Let's redo this. Have a look. Cover any new cases? Yes, we covered this case. There's two more cases not covered. One is when we stringify an enum and it's not a real value. Oh yeah, the stringifies. Of course the stringifies aren't really covered. To de-stringify enum failures. Checking enum conversions. Mask. Okay, so then here using space VK enum, I want all cases covered. Stringify. Enum, I guess. Section. Bad type is given. Dimaggio. Type 3D. Amazing. Equals. Let's just start empty. Okay. You can, of course, give the wrong type. If it just happens to match the same value. That is unfortunate. But that's user error. I'm going to have to just say that it is. That equals 3D. Okay. And we want a test case. Bit mask. I don't really have any good sorting for any of this. This is all terrible. Just terrible. Okay, section. I think it's at front and back. Not entirely sure. We'll find out. We will find out. I wanna hit the very last one. That's way at the bottom. Way bottom one. Nope. The CPP. Almost. do the same thing as success. Stringify bitmask. Okay. Cover that case. Does not cover this case. What's wrong with this case? Ah, yeah, I need to hit 2 different types. Which means... this one to go. Ooh, the wrong way around. Okay, whatever. As long as it's close to correct, I'll take it. Yay. That means I have 100% code coverage. Every line in the functions are tested. Beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. So now we'll just run this one more time. We'll copy the contents over. Same thing on them. Do. Oh, I'm just missing the function stuff. Documentation. By the or symbol, okay. So now we can copy this, paste it into the CPP for up here. Need to make it just a little bit better. Now I also need to cover just a few more cases in from string. Okay, so that's a space, that's a V, G, E, Y, T, it's a space, D, like that, something like that. Still works good. Okay, that's manual for rapid XML. This is the Boo software license. Okay. Okay, we'll just add it all. Except we do not want these two actually. Delete them. Okay. And we do not want the GitLab CI because there's nothing in it. Code coverage, we'll just do that and then we'll submit it when I get the internet again. One day I will have an internet.